Clay's Automotive Service Center, a trusted auto repair shop in Folsom, Pennsylvania, a destination for top-notch auto repair and maintenance services. Our auto repair shop is committed to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and safely, providing a wide range of services to satisfy your vehicle's maintenance and repair requirements. Feel free to contact us today with any questions about our auto repair shop. Are you looking for an auto repair shop near me? You can stop looking. You found Clay's Automotive Service Center. What services do auto repair shops typically offer? Most auto repair shops provide a variety of services, including oil changes, tire rotations, brake repairs, engine diagnostics, transmission services, battery replacements, and more. Some shops may also offer specialized services like alignments, air conditioning repairs, and suspension work. Do I need an appointment for repairs? While some shops accept walk-ins, it's usually best to schedule an appointment to ensure your vehicle is serviced promptly. Call ahead to confirm availability and discuss your vehicle's needs. What is your service area for the Folsom, Pennsylvania service office? Our auto repair shop serves the following: Alden, Folsom, Holmes, Springfield, Sharon Hill, Darby, Fulcroft, Swarthmore, Ridley Park, Rutledge, Clifton Heights, East Lansdowne, Prospect Park, Ridley Park, Glen Olden, Lansdowne, Media, Aston, Chester, Delaware County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Folsom, Pennsylvania auto repair shop located? We are located at 1000 McDade Boulevard, Folsom, Pennsylvania 19033. Our phone number is 610-534-7044. Visit our website, www.claysauto.com.